Here OA and OB are two rays. OA and OB are two rays. Okay? Starting from O. It is starting from O and angle formed. Okay? At the common end point O. This is the common end point. Okay? Now, we will move to our next topic, interior and exterior of an angle. Okay? So here this figure you can see. Here students, this is one angle. Okay? This is angle. Okay? We made this the part. This is the part which is called the exterior of angle. ये जो है इसे हम exterior means बाहरी साइड जो होता है वो exterior of an angle. Okay? And this जो अंदर वाला पोर्शन है this is called interior part. Okay? जो अंदर वाला पोर्शन है this is called the interior part of an angle. Okay students? Now we will move to our next topic, comparison of angles. Okay? Comparison हमने पढ़ा है पहले. Comparison मतलब तुलना करना, है ना? So here comparison of angle. Here we will see that these both pictures are given. आप देख रहे होंगे दोनों pictures हैं. Okay? So here angle PQR. Angle PQR and XYZ is given. Okay? So here we can see that both the angles, जो दोनों angles है उसमें PQR ज़्यादा खुला हुआ है. Means it is more open. Okay? Than the angle XYZ. So here we can say, when we compare it, we can say that angle PQR is greater than. हमने greater smaller के साइन देखे हैं, पढ़ा भी है. So greater than angle XYZ. Okay students, ये तो हमें देखने से पता चलता है. But there is an अगर एक छोटा सा भी स्लाइट डिफरेंस भी अगर एंगल में होता है, सो हाउ वी विल सी, और हम कैसे बोल सकते हैं कि दिस एंगल इज ग्रेटर और स्मॉलर देन द अदर. ओके? सो फॉर दैट स्टूडेंट्स वी यूज ट्रेसिंग मेथड. ओके? अगर स्लाइटली डिफरेंस भी है उस एंगल में तो हम ट्रेसिंग मेथड का यूज करते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स? So here these both angle, जो हमने ये angles draw किए हैं, angle AOB and angle DEF. Okay? So trace angle, हम उसमें क्या करेंगे? Trace angle AOB on tracing paper and place it on angle DEF. Okay? Tracing paper पर बनाकर और उसे एंगल DEF पर प्लेस करेंगे such that a vertex O, okay, coincides with the vertex E. जो vertex O है और vertex E है, coincides means coincide का मतलब similar, एक सा, या हम बोलते हैं ना समान. Okay? Coincides with the vertex E and ray DE coincides with ray AO, then we can say that whether the angle is greater or smaller or equal. Okay students? Now here, if ray EF falls in interior of angle AOB, then angle AOB is greater than ray EF falls exterior, if ray EF falls exterior of angle AOB, then we can say that angle AOB is smaller than angle DEF. Okay students, in case if ray EF coincides ray OB, then angle AOB is equal to angle DEF. यदि in case रे EF बिल्कुल एक साथ समान हम जब ट्रेस करेंगे और बिल्कुल एक सा रहेगा, ओके, when we place it, so that is called that angle AOB is equal to angle DEF. Okay, this is the comparison of angles. Okay students, now we will come to our next topic, measuring angles. How we will measure angles? Okay, so for these angles measured in degree, okay, and always for measuring angles we use protractor. Okay, so in your geometry box you can see that this is the protractor. Okay, this is the protractor. We have one more, आपको अच्छे से देखने के लिए we have this protractor. Okay, so in your geometry box you can measure with this. Okay, so this is the protractor. Okay, so here we will see that in this protractor we will use to measure an angle, we will use protractor. ये तो समझ में आ गया. Okay, now here you can see I draw this, है ना, this is the outer scale. आप देख रहे होंगे 0 से 180 it is marked. Okay, so this one is the outer scale of this protractor. This is the outer scale of this protractor. Okay students, and here you can see from 0 to 180. Here this is the inner part or inner scale of this protractor. Okay students, here you can see that at the middle point, this is called the center of the point. एकदम बीच में आप प्रोटेक्टर के देखेंगे, here you can see this is the center of the point. This is the center of the, this is the center. Okay, so here this is called middle point, उसे हम center बोलते हैं. Okay, now here students, here this horizontal line you can see, one horizontal line you can see, this is the baseline of protractor. Okay, this is the baseline of protractor, and this degree, okay, angle is measured in degree, हमने देखा अभी पढ़ा है, and it is the symbol of degree is this. Okay students, now we will measure angle AOB 80 degree. Now we will see how we will measure angle AOB 80 degree. Okay students, here one thing is to understand that which side our ray is going, we will use that scale. Means inner part we have to use, or inner scale we have to use, or we have to use the outer scale, है ना? So from left to right, if our ray is going, ये बहुत important है समझने के लिए. If left to right our ray is going, we will use the outer part. Okay, and if the ray Then here we will see where is our 80 degree. Okay, हमारा यदि हम इस प्रोजेक्टर से देखेंगे तो 80 डिग्री कहाँ पर आ रहा है, यहाँ पर. But according to our this picture 80 degree is coming here. We will mark, एक पॉइंट मार्क करेंगे यहाँ पर 80 डिग्री. ओके, और ये जो है यहाँ पर हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ, ओ ए से हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके, एंड हियर we will see that our 80 degree is coming here. So here we will draw one line. Okay, we will draw one line at 80 degree. We use the inner scale. Okay, so हमने 80 डिग्री पर एक लाइन ड्रॉ करी एंड OA पर भी हमने एक लाइन ड्रॉ करी. So we construct this angle. Okay, angle AOB. Okay, हम इसे नाम देंगे B. AOB. So we construct angle AOB 80 degree. Okay students, so this is our today we understood angles. Okay students, so I hope you understand.